Hello, my friends, and welcome to day 19 of the 30-day stretching challenge. Today, we're going to be on the ground for the entire practice. This one would be good to do at night before bed or first thing in the morning. You could just do it right in bed. So we're going to start on our backs. Meet me down in a comfortable lying down position, allowing your body to settle fully on the mat or the ground or the bed. Begin by taking a few deep inhales through the nose and exhales out the mouth. To begin, we'll take the right knee into the chest, give it a little squeeze. Take some circles through the right knee to open up through the right hip, going in one direction, and then switch over and go the other direction. Squeeze your knee into your chest. Start to extend your leg up toward the sky. It's okay if it doesn't straighten all the way. Finding length with every inhale through the back of the leg, extending the heel up toward the sky. Then start to play around with pointing and flexing the foot to stretch out the arch and all of your little toes. Taking a twist now, right knee comes into the chest. Then slowly guide it up and over to the left side. Take your right arm out, cactus, and look up and over towards your right fingers. Slowly take your knee back to your chest. Find a figure 4 stretch. Left foot comes to the mat. Hook your right ankle over your left knee. Flex the right foot. Stay here, or for a little bit more, reach through, grab hold of your left thigh, and just bring it gently towards your chest. You can use your right hand or your right elbow to sort of keep your right knee open out to the side. Take one more full deep breath in. Slowly lower your left foot down to the mat. Extend the right leg long. Give it a little shake out. And take your left knee into your chest. Slowly guide the left knee over to come into your twist. Cactus the left arm out to the side. With every exhale, allowing your body to release further into the twist. On your next breath in, engage the core to draw the knee in towards the chest. And slowly extend the left leg up toward the sky as much as you can. Finding length through the back of the leg, out the top of the thigh. The heel. Gently jawing the leg towards you. And when you get there, start to point and flex through the foot. Finding a figure 4. Bend the right knee, plant the right foot on the ground, cross the left ankle over the right knee. Stay here with your foot flexed, or gently bring the right thigh toward the body. One more full deep breath in. Slowly release both of your feet down to the mat. Bridge pose. So just check in with your feet, make sure they're about hips distance. You should just be able to grasp your ankles with your fingertips just to graze them lightly. And on your next inhale, press into the feet, lift the hips, interlace the hands, roll your shoulders, opening through the chest. We'll stay here for 3 breaths. Slowly unclasp the hands, roll all the way down. Take your feet out as wide as your mat. Allow your knees to knock in just for a second. Breathing into your low back. Let's find a quad stretch. Roll onto your right side. You can allow your head to rest on your arm. Right arm reaches long. Your bottom knee can be bent slightly just to give you a little bit more stability and support. Reach the left toes long. Bend the left knee, reach back, quad stretch. Breathing into the front of the left leg. Last breath in. Exhale to release the leg long. Give it a little shake out. Roll onto your stomach. Allow your forehead to rest on your hands. We'll just take a very small back bend here. Taking your hands out wider than shoulder distance. On your inhale, roll your shoulders back, open through the chest, baby cobra. Hold for 1 breath. And release to come down onto your belly. Rolling onto your left side now to find a quad stretch. Your head can rest on your arm. Bend the bottom left leg just for a little support. Reach the right toes long, then reach back. Quad stretch. Last breath in. Release hold of your foot, roll back onto your back. Take any final movements here that feel good in your body. Allow yourself to settle fully on your mat. Take up as much space as you possibly can. Notice how the chest expands on your inhale and releases on your exhale as you sigh out any remaining tension. If you are doing this practice before bed, I invite you to shut off your phone or your computer and drift off into a very peaceful and deep sleep. But if you have to get back to your day, slowly roll yourself onto one side, pausing for a moment, and then pressing yourself all the way up to seated. Finding a comfortable seat with your legs crossed or your feet out in front of you. We'll take one final inhale together to reach the arms up. And exhale to cactus your arms out to your side, opening through the chest. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you're feeling a little bit more relaxed and ready for the rest of your day or for a very gentle and relaxing sleep. Can't wait to see you again, and that will be tomorrow. So see you soon. Bye.